Darling, I know that our love is going cold. It's just something about the snow this time of year that makes us lose our way.